What's going on, everybody? Last night I came home from work and there was a big box waiting for me at my front door. So what's inside this big box? Well, it's something I've been looking at for probably almost a year. Granted, it's something that's not really relating to my channel, but it's something that I intend to use to go out and do some skate and chill videos. So I think I can be able to tie it in. I also want to make a video because while I was doing my research for this product and seeing if it was really something I wanted, there's not a whole lot of other videos out there for it. Now that I have it, I really wanted to make a video so that anyone else who's maybe on the fence or really thinking about buying one can use this video as another resource. I hope you enjoy it. I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's cut her open. Oh, sweet, right off the bat. Sweet, they sent me a hat. Okay, so what is it? It's a off-road electric longboard. Yeah, let's get her out the box here. This is pretty sweet. Okay, underneath the board right here, got the owner's manual. I've got charging cable. Kind of interesting they didn't give me a grounded plug for this, but it is a proper American outlet. So that's good. I was worried they weren't going to ship me with a proper US charging. Oh, cool. So these are all different springs, I think, that you can put right in front right there, and must change your ability to corner and turn. That's cool. And this turns. Wow, awesome. Okay, and inside here we've got our remote. So it's a wireless remote. That's what controls the board while you're on it. So we've got the remote, charging cable for the remote, and then it's like a few other maybe just small backup pieces. I'm not sure. Have to look in the manual. Okay, let me get this all cleaned up and let's take her outside and check this thing out. Okay, let's take her out for a test ride. Let's give this a try. Oh my God, the suspension is so nice on it. Okay, let's try this. Oh, it's got so much torque. Okay, let's be smart and get a helmet on. Okay, that's a little better. That is so freaking cool. That's on the low power map. There's 3 more power modes higher than that. All right, I'm gonna cruise down to the end of the block and back. Yeah, this thing is sick. We might have to get ready and take this out on the streets. All right, let's take this thing out for a cruise. I got the kit on. I'm gonna go full helmet. Let's go have some fun.
Johnny Wall. Yeah, crank them.
Oh my God! Yeah, no problem. Yeah! Yo, this thing is sick, dude. Ready? Let's go. Coming out. Okay, I'm okay. First ride, check on the Ecomobl. This thing is so cool. It is the most unreal feeling to have that kind of power. Like even through the grass, even on the dirt trails, it just chews them up and it has so much power and torque. I'm really excited to take this thing out on some fun rides. So this whole trip, I've probably been out now for maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes riding around. I didn't even use 1 bar of battery. So they say 20-mile range, and probably cumulatively there, I maybe went 2 miles. 3 miles maybe. So I think that's pretty cool and a testament to its range and what it's capable of. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to take this thing out on some rides, go to some cool places. It allows you to access these areas like so easily. Like, yeah, you can have an e-bike. Yeah, no problem. You know, I have my mountain bike, so I didn't really want an e-bike and I didn't want a scooter. And this thing is like a longboard on steroids. This thing is like a snowboard with an engine. You know, the way you can carve on it, the way the suspension soaks up little bumps in the road. I mean, on my longboard, I had to be super careful when I was cruising there on the rail trail, because one little rock, one little crack catches you weird, you're going right down. And with this thing, I was hesitant at first, and now seeing what it can do, like it literally rolls over everything. I mean, it is wild to see that I expected things to like stop the tire and it just didn't even care. I already probably got about 10 questions of what the heck is that thing? And I mean, the reaction from people watching you ride this is pretty funny. It is really fun. So initial reaction of the Ecomobl, holy crap, this is a cool piece of equipment. I am gonna have some fun on this thing. I definitely know I'm gonna get out with the wife here on her e-bike and we're gonna go cruising around. Look forward to seeing more of this on my channel. I definitely love riding on this thing already, so if you had fun watching this video, let me know and I'll definitely be more encouraged to kind of incorporate this into more videos and do some really cool, maybe like Ecomobl exploration videos, you know, and take this thing to places that have bike paths or stuff like that and rip it around and cruise and check them out. I think it really opens like a whole new area of me being able to do things, and you know, kind of changes my perspective on like, yeah, I could cruise around on my longboard, but man, that gets tiring quick. You throw a backpack on this thing, you could go for miles and check stuff out, and that's really cool. So yeah, pretty cool. I've like been smiling nonstop the whole ride. Well, hey, I had a great time today. I cannot wait to get out on another ride. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you've got some ideas on how I can use this or maybe cool places I could take it, let me know down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you out on the next video.